Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a resource pack. So you're probably going to need a few external programs. So an image editor. So I got paint.net right here. It works pretty well, so I'll probably be showing a bit how to use it. And Visual Studio Code, or like any JSON editor. A Notepad works just fine, so you don't need to actually download it. I just prefer using this, so yeah. Um, so first things first, I'm gonna be showing. You're gonna want to get the vanilla resource packs folder, just so you can have the base textures to work with. So you can just go look up Minecraft add-ons, and you can go. It'll show you the Minecraft.net site. So you just go on there, scroll down, and you'll find download these zips, and I'll go ahead and download it real quick. So this will give you pretty much all the textures. So after you do that, you want to go ahead and open up File Explorer, and you want to go to this PC, the devices slash drives you're using, so the one with like storage. So mine's this one right here. You want to go to users, you want to go to your one, and once you're in here, you want to go to view, which is at the top left, so right here, and you want to find hidden items. It's towards the top rightish area, and you just want to go ahead and check that, and you want to check file name extensions along with item checkboxes. So once you do that, you will find this other folder, app data. So you want to go to that, you want to go to local, you want to go to packages, and you'll be met with this thing. Just eventually scroll down until you find this one right here. It'll say Minecraft UWP. So after doing that, you want to go into local state, games, com.mojang, and resource packs. Don't go there. So once you've got to com.mojang, you want to go to like the home area, and you'll see this pin to quick access. So once you do that, it'll just pop up right here, and it's really easy use. Now the one you really want to go into is development underscore resource packs. In here you can see I've already have a ton of other stuff in here, but you want to go, and this is where you'll be making your resource pack. You really want to make it in this one, that way you don't have to change anything, and you can just leave and rejoin your world, and your textures will update. So you just want to make a new folder and just call it the resource pack name. So I'm just going to call it test. And as you can see, this is what it will look like. So once you've made this, you want to go ahead and find the default vanilla resource pack. And once you are here, you want to get the manifest.json and just drag it into yours. So once you've done that, go ahead and open it up. And if you're using Notepad, it'll look something similar to this. I'm using VSC, so it looks something like this. So you'll see description, name, UUID, and description type, and then UUID. So the UUID will tell you, will make this pack actually appear in your file, like in the resource packs area in Minecraft, and it will make sure your pack is different from the rest. So you want to go ahead and make it something new. So just go search up UUID generator, and it will appear right here. Just go here, copy it, and go back to your code editor, and just select this whole thing and paste. And you just want to go ahead and do it again for the second area, And now you have got your pack differentiated. Now go ahead and call it, just rename your pack right here. So this is where the name is. So I'm just gonna call it test. Put, so this is the description. So say something about your pack. Right here, you can just put a little sentence. It's what usually I like to do. You can change it right here too, but I'm not going to for the sake of this video. Afterwards, just go ahead and save it and go back here. After doing this, you want to go and click folder and call this textures. And then if you look in the vanilla resource packs folder, you'll find that there's a textures folder and there's a ton of other folders. I won't really go into the rest of these in too much detail. However, this is where all of your actual textures are. So your block textures, the color map is for your birch leaves, your spruce leaves, your grass colors, your foliage colors, so biome dependent stuff. So we might cover that in a different video, but in today's video, we are just going to go through a basic texture. So in this, you'll be able to find all the texture names. So you want to make sure you have that. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make about 3 different textures. Starting off is the grass texture. So one of the harder ones is usually the grass, since it has some weird things to it. So you want to go ahead and just copy your grass side and these textures right here. So if I just go ahead, oh wait, I almost forgot. This should be in the blocks folder. Just make sure you don't have things outside of the correct folder. So once you're in here, go ahead and open this up. This is a TGA. It's really important that you don't just rename it to like a PNG, for example. It has to be a TGA for it to work. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do it in paint.net. But if you apply the same principles to another paint program you might know how to use, then you'll be good. So on the top or on the bottom left, we can see the colors, primary, and stuff like this. So go ahead and click on more and you can see opacity and all of this stuff, right? You'll see hardness and the tools around here. So what you're gonna want to do, I'm just gonna be making a lower grass, so I want to keep it close to vanilla. So up here I'm going to be using the select tool, the add union, and just selecting all of this. So then you can go up here and click the copy tool or the cut, whatever one you feel like, and then do something like this. And I just kind of do something like this. This probably isn't the best texture or the best method. However, it's important you keep it grayscaled. However, you can make it different colors. However, what you saw earlier was the color map. So the colors there describe what biome has what color grass, and it just overlays that color over this. So if you change it to a different, like a pink, and you put, like, for example, a yellow over it, it'll turn into kind of like an orange. So that's kind of the idea behind that. Now so using the color picker, we can just kind of see all the different colors in here. But a main one is, if you look over here, the opacity is 0, and bottom left you can see that they're all different colors. So this is actually your dirt texture. So one of the main problems is this might appear black for some people, or this might just turn, like the dirt might turn green for them. So this is how you want to fix that. Just go in here, grab your dirt texture. So just open it up. You want to copy it. So using the select tool, you can select the entire thing. Copy. And you want to make it a new layer. So bottom right, you have the layers area and new layer. So go ahead and paste it and deselect, which you can do at the top left beside paste and stuff. So once you create your dirt layer, go ahead and click at the bottom right, you'll see a properties tool. So go ahead and just turn down the opacity all the way to 1. So after doing that, that dirt texture will actually just synchronize here, and it should, oh wait, before you do that, actually you want to go ahead and go to this layer. So make sure you're selecting the right layer and just select your entire texture, like the gray bits, and go ahead and cut them, and delete this old layer. Oh wait, oops. So otherwise it will interfere with your dirt texture and will make it all weird. So go ahead and do this, and make sure you do not do it the other way, or else it'll become invisible and won't actually work. So make sure this is underneath your dirt, and just merge the layers. I should probably go ahead and edit the dirt just so you guys can see it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab like a purple and just kind of shade it in like that. So after you've done that, this should be good enough. So the other textures I have copied in are the grass side underscore carry. This only appears in like the menu screen where it has the grass, so you don't actually have to edit it for in-game use. This is just for small areas in the GUI. And this is just the top of the grass, so we're not gonna edit that. So after doing all of this, we can go ahead and close that out, and close this, close that. Actually, you want to open that back up. So I have this folder linked. So let's just keep this open, and you can go ahead and open up Minecraft. This will take a sec, so we'll be right back once this is loaded up. Okay, so guys, we are back and my Minecraft is loaded up. So we are going to go ahead and you can go on the global resources or just go on a world. This will actually take a sec to load up, but so once you're in here, just go in your resource packs, and if we can, so this is the one that I just made. I'll also probably release this, or just as like a little template for you guys. So you can go ahead and go in the game. So once this loads up, we should be able to see that our grass with like little purple bits is right. Okay, so we have loaded in game, and if we go over here, as you can see, our lower grass is right there and our purple streaks is right there, and it's working perfectly fine. No oopsies. This is from my other texture pack since it's being overlaid. But yeah, so that worked out great. So that's the grass texture. So this is just the basics. You can go ahead and make any other texture using the bases. I would suggest overlaying it and using a lot of copy and paste. I know I do that. There's some other tools that I haven't shown, like hue shifting and brightness and contrast, that also help a lot, but I'll go into them in a different video. So, oh, and one more thing. So as you can see, or as you did see, our texture pack icon was just purple and black. So if we go ahead and open up our default pack, go to, you can see that there's a pack underscore icon.png. So if we just move that in and open this up, we can see that this is just the normal pack icon. So this can be any size, so it doesn't have to be just like 256 by 256. So this is where your pack art would be and what it shows up on that icon. So in the next episode of this, we'll probably go into detail about how to make, like, how to edit the blocks.json and trainer script texture to kind of get the double slabs in my pack, and a few other things that I have. So you can edit almost any block's side. You can get it so their block shapes are different. So there's a ton of cool stuff we can do in there. So we'll go over that in the next video. Bye.